at that one, Andy.
I know, bloody hell.
Oh, look at this one with the cupola.
Is he?
Yeah. Oh.
I know.
What's this area called?
East Aurora.
East Aurora. Is it still Buffalo?
No, it's outside of the city, about what,
20 minutes.
Yeah.
25, 30 miles though.
Yeah.
In 0.1 miles, turn left. In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
What?
No, it's saying Pine Street.
Yeah. Okay, there's a car going straight, so I'm not the only one. So this is where we're going first.
Yeah.
See
Just
the
a little
guy?
shopping.
2 brothers owned it. I don't think he would know. I'll go ask somebody, but go ahead. Where's this guy?
Perfect portion for shipping. Mommy used to have one.
We do, but at least you have
But
to
it
put
was
your
not
hand
plastic,
in
it was
the
over old glass.
oven to-
Remember that? Your mom had one. Yeah.
Oh, she got me one. No, she got me a silicone one. I love it. I use it all the time. So.
What did you use all the time?
What you bought me?
Vidler's 5 and 10 in East Aurora, New York is a family-run variety store that's been open since 1930. So it's celebrating its 95th anniversary in 2025. Originally, it was a small shop, but it now spans over 20,000 square feet across 4 buildings and offers over 75,000 nostalgic items, from classic toys to candy to kitchen gadgets and quirky gifts as well. Vidler's is both a shopping destination and a local landmark, and it features in holiday movies and was added to the New York State Historic Business Preservation Registry in 2024. This is Mister's in East Aurora in New York. We just had lovely bar snacks. And I have asked permission to film in you. Thank you. This bar is fantastic. This is so cool. For you to pee. Oh, this is like the old American.
How fun is this?
Yeah, it looks brilliant. Fantastic. All the beers are named after comedians, so obviously John Candy, Farley, I'm not sure. Who's we going in? We're in Hamburg Brewing Company, by the way. Fushiri, not sure who that is. And the last one I know, Prior Richard. Richard Pryor. Hi. Absolutely beautiful here. Oh, they have fish too. That's good. They got pop here, $6.99 for a 6-pack. There's some people over here. Oh my gosh, look at all the taps they have. Wow. They have a huge selection. Look at all the taps. All the taps they have.
Oh yeah, it's quickly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Take care.
Hi.
Thank you, sir.
Here we go.
We've just got
Oh, nice.
We've just got a couple of beers here. Nothing to see here. Just a few beers. Look how pretty this is.
Fish there as well.
Yeah, there's fish in there.
Can I have my beer now?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you may. You may have yours. So what beers have you got there? Summer lager, blackberry goose,
Want to try the cider,
Blackberry
Andy?
Ghost.
I got 4 by you.
Irish
Oh, what'd
you do?
red,
The blueberry
Irish
peach.
red and
I've
oatmeal
gone from the
stout.
pomegranate,
oatmeal stout.
OG, the nice
And I've
dry,
got-
and the pear. So then that's the pear. So that's the probably same one as yesterday.
Do you think? We get in with now experts. We are beer experts now officially, because this is the 17th brewery we've been to in 2 days.
Really?
No. Bonnie.
Bonnie slept
We're
after them.
we're not
Come on,
quite
you gotta go.
we're not quite that bad. I think it's something like the 4th, is it? The 4th?
Well, she was drinking liquor at most.
Yeah. So she's lost track. No, it's something like the 4th in 2 days. We've had a great time. It's one of my favourite pastimes. It's one of my favourite things to do. But this one must be the prettiest.
No,
It is.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah,
The bougiest.
yeah. It is really lovely.
What a farm, and look at the gold. For springtime. Applications, tables for food.
I don't know whether you can see the fish down there as well. But yeah, it's so pretty.
I'll be able to do that.